Hello guys and welcome to another video. In this tutorial I want to talk about Instagram scrapers, specifically Instagram profile picture scrapers. Now this has been a thing for a while now, and people have been scraping the other ways, but now it has been patched, it has been changed a little bit, and it's kind of worse than it was. For example, if we take a look at the rocks photo right here, in the best quality you can get it through just like F12 regular inspect element, you can just get this, and that's horrible. Same goes for like Nicki Minaj, and you can get this. But as you can see, this picture is horrible quality already, so you can't really get it better, but this one you can get a little better. So they patched it one way, so you can't get it in a full resolution the way it was, but you can get it a little bit better than it is. So I made a little program in Python. It's really not complex, you can just copy everything for me, or you can do it smarter. I use regex. You don't have to do that. You don't have to write this way. It's kind of horrible. I didn't want to write it in object programming. Just wanted to make sure that it works. So this is the crucial part. We get a link here, and then right here we get this thing, which kind of allows us to read the JSON of the profile. Once it happens, we can just get that with requests and make sure that we use regex to find the specific profile picture URL HD thing. And then right here I kind of made a mistake. I could have just used this one and edited it a little bit better, but it's fine. You gotta figure it out. So what I did is actually scraped this for the profile pic URL, and then I removed these things like the profile pic, this, and then because the result of this is actually the link. So I scraped everything else, and then I left just a link, and then I use the web browser to open the link. Now you don't have to use the web browser. You can just use OS, import OS or something, and then just like make sure you use CMD to open like Chrome in the again %s or something like that, which is your link. In this case, the regex2. That's what it's called. You can do this in object programming. You can load the JSON with JSON import module, JSON module, and you can do it with like maybe dictionary things or something, but it's kind of messy because after some point, which I actually do really need, it gets messy, like really messy. It stops being like a JSON file all of a sudden, and there's just like quotes and stuff. I don't even know. So let me just show you how this works. Let's take the rocks, and this is not going to work for the rock, so this is what I wanted to show you. Some things are patched, and some people just upload a bad picture. So if I do this, it gets the link, and as you can see, it looks horrible. If I zoom it in, it just looks like Minecraft. Right, so that sucks, but let me show you something else. If we do someone who has, well, that's pretty much everyone. Everyone has a better photo. The rock is just an example of a bad photo. But I mean, I'm gonna put Nicki Minaj here, even though I really don't like her. But I couldn't remember any celebrities. I don't really follow anything, so I just Googled top 10 most famous celebrities on Instagram. Let's do Nicki Minaj, and let me show you this. And now as you can see, it's doubled in size or something like that. This is the best you can get it so far. The old method could have gotten you the whole quality of the photo. This one can just get you double. But this is it. That's actually it. The best you can get is double. If you look at it without this, it's really smaller, as you can see. And just using the inspect element thing. So that works. It works so far, but it's not great. Before, it used to work like this. So you would get a profile link in the HTML, and then you would get the HTML of it, and then you would find in the HTML the ID of the person. You would just scrape it like this. Like this, you can use regex to find the ID. Once you get the ID, you're gonna append it to this link, and then user ID here, and then it can be like, I don't know, whatever the ID looks like, and then /info, and this is the JSON file that you get. And then inside of this JSON file, you would look for something like this, and this would be the highest quality of the profile pic. And then it would just get the value of that, and you open it, and you would see the full picture. So that's pretty cool. I mean, you can't get it in the full picture anymore, which kind of sucks, but you can, however, get it in the a little better quality, which kind of does the work, I think. It's not perfect, but for now I don't see any better solutions for this.